guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 8th day of the 40 days challenge. Today I'll be cooking Sorakaya or Lauki Chana Dal. So we'll peel the Lauki like this and chop it into big sized pieces. And cut the tomato into small cubes like this. Like this, guys. Slice the onions. There you go, guys, like this. 1 cup chana. 1 cup Lauki. To this, add a cup of tomatoes. So that's 1 tomato. Add some salt and some turmeric. Add about 2 cups of hot water. Pressure cook this to 2 whistles. 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Cinnamon, cloves and bay leaf. Jeera and rye. Half an onion sliced. Add a tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic. Make sure the onions and the ginger garlic are well cooked. Add a spoon of turmeric, a spoon of salt, and little bit chili powder, a spoon of black pepper powder, and mix them all well. I transferred the cooked chana and Lauki. The chana is perfectly cooked, guys. For 5 minutes and get it off the heat, guys. The Lauki Chana Dal is perfectly cooked, guys. There you go. The Lauki is perfectly cooked. There you go. We're going to finish it off with some coriander, chopped coriander. My today's 2 cents is about ego. What is ego? Ego is a great enemy and ego holds you back every single time. Ego is only an illusion, but it is a very, very influential one at that. So think about that. Enjoy the dal, guys. I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye-bye.